YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Don914 here to bring you another sneaker review and unboxing. So we're gonna unbox these. So I've had these for a while. I hit on the SNKRS app when they first dropped, and just timing wasn't right. And other shoes I had to review first, and finally getting around to these, and I'm excited to see these in hand. And this is the second rendition of this pair. So let's go ahead and unbox these shoes real quick, and I'll give you like a little backstory of the skateboarder that this shoe was designed after, made for, etc. So go ahead and grab the box out. And before we get started, like, comment, and subscribe, share the channel. Welcome to my channel. I appreciate all the support. And yeah, we rocking and rolling in 2025. So let's get right into the review. I don't want to waste no time because I'm definitely eager to see this shoe in hand. So of course we get this classic SB box, purple box, the SB. Let's see here. Yeah, got the Nike SB on that side. And here's the sizing tag right here. Get that in there so you can see that real good. Cool. So that reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro, Asparagus, Legend Green. Legend Green. Asparagus and Legend Green. And it's funny because they're calling these the MATCHA. That's why I got the shirt on MATCHA. So I don't know. I guess it is a cross between the MATCHA and asparagus. So let me grab these out, man, and get right into it. Yeah, okay. These are nice, man. These are nicer than I definitely expected. So, of course, you get your green paper that comes in a box. You get your SB all whited out sticker. And then let's see here what comes inside the box. Nothing. You don't get a green stamp or anything like that inside the box. And, oh, actually, sorry. Yep, I stand corrected. Green stamp right there. You should have a green stamp. Make sure you got the slits in it, the lines in it. And the bottom of the box, of course, you got the Nike SB and Nike branding. So you've been copping SBs over the time. You should know this is how your box should come on. It's funny because I think this is a regular GR. Yeah, so the Quick Strikes I think come in that lighter color box, and then the GRs come in this purple classic box that we get. So it's funny that these are GR, man. The first pair wasn't a GR. I think it was a Quick Strike. So that's pretty cool. A lot of people did hit and was able to get a pair, but these definitely did sell out. And just taking a little bit of time to check the materials, and yeah, these are nice. Oh wow, okay. Yeah, we might have to go under the lights for this one. Definitely. Okay, yeah, it's a lot of detail on here. So let me give you a little backstory. First, let me show you the shoes real quick. Yeah, these are nice, man. Definitely gonna get into these. And let me give you a little bit of backstory on the skateboarder. So this is a YUTO HORIGOME. Hopefully I'm saying that right. Correct me in the comment section below if I'm wrong. But let me give you a little backstory on who he is and why the shoe is designed after him. So YUTO HORIGOME's second dunk has officially arrived. The prolific Japanese skateboarder is known for composing strong lines and landing big tricks in big moments. His quiet demeanor and effortless flow make his skate game a pleasure to watch. For this edition, the upper balance is a mixture of light khaki suede with asparagus and legend green leather overlays. Slight speckling on the asparagus panels adds to the shoe's overall earthly aesthetics. YUTO included his family crest on the lateral heel as a nod to his family and Japanese heritage. For the fellow riders in the room, this Dunk Low comes equipped with plush padding and a heel air zoom unit for cushion comfort during hard charges and heavy landing. So lace up and skate like YUTO, or let's try to. That was the SNKRS app depiction of this shoe. So with that being said, let's hop right into the review of the Nike SB Dunk Low YUTO HORIGOME MATCHA. All right, so let's start off with the left shoe. So you got that asparagus matcha type color outsole. You got the pink specks going through. Got the pink Nike SB in the middle of outsole. And what I was told, the reason for this color right here is, I think in Japan around this time of the year, around spring, there's like a cherry blossoms that really sprout during this time of the year. And I think, you know, as Japanese culture, I think that was part of why they threw that color in there. I could be wrong, but that's what I researched and found out. Let me know in the comment section down below if I'm accurate with that. As we move up to the midsole, you got this like cream type of like sail midsole. It's not like a pure white. Moving up to the upper of the shoe, again, you got this nice, it has a change of direction motion, as you can see. It's slight, but it's there. This asparagus or matcha type of color upper on the suede. It's all suede here. The Nike swoosh is kind of like, it's like a soft leather. On the Nike swoosh, it's not that nubuck suede. You got suede here, suede around the toe cap, around the toe box. But the Nike swoosh is leather. Mid panel, you have this like, almost like that khaki color. And it almost looks like foam, like with the matcha drink. And if you see closely on the green parts of the shoe, you can see where it looks like little bubbles. That right there, as I was researching and was told that that's like the foam that comes up on the matcha drink. You know, once you get the drink, it's like the foam and the bubbles. So see if I can throw a picture in there to kind of highlight that. Also, if you see this little metal like eyelet right here and how it's designed and shaped, see if I can get closer in there on that. You can see it right there. That's supposedly the tool they use to kind of grind the matcha up, and that's why he threw that on there as part of the eyelet. So Nike SB always throwing like little Easter eggs in their shoe. I love it, like the storytelling with the shoe. But yeah, that's like the grinder they use, or the tool they use to grind up the matcha before they make the tea. Moving to the front of the shoe, you have that cushion SB fat tongue, of course. You got YUTO Origame name right there in green, and you got that SB, Nike SB right there in green as well, with the khaki color back tab. Got that khaki color outlining the tongue as well. Green laces. It comes with extra spare pair of laces. I'll show you that on the right shoe. Toe box, you have that khaki color toe box, and the material on the toe box, you can see is pretty plush, and it's like a rough suede type of material. Medial size, same as the lateral, with that matcha green upper, specks of bubbles, leather green swoosh. Got the khaki side panel. Moving to the back of the shoe, you have this khaki like back tab, and the Nike almost like looks like brown to me. Right here, this part right here on the shoe, it's like they said it's like bamboo, almost like bamboo shoots, and that's why they wanted to kind of design that after. And if you see here, you have the family crest right here as well. And that's pretty dope, man. I love that they put that in there. That's fire. So as we move to the back of the tongue, you have this like nice plush like type of suede material. That khaki color back tab with nothing on it except the YUTO's family crest in white, which is fire. There's no Nike brand or anything. There's nothing underneath this little back tab either. That's pretty fire. Let me go ahead and take this out. Does come with shoe paper. And then in the inside, you have the Nike SB. You can see here, Nike SB. And then also you have like, it's like a vending machine with the branding on top of it. Sock liner is pretty plush too. If you can see that material in the sock liner. Of course, you got that extra padding because this is the SB Pro. And the sock liner is nice too. I bet these are comfortable on foot. And in the front, let me see if I can grab the heel. Sometimes it's tough to get out, but let me see if I can grab it out. Yeah, got it. Okay, so here's the insole of the shoe, as you can see. Right there. I don't know what this is supposed to be, but it's some type of design. If you know what this is, like comment in the comment section down below, let us know what this is. Here's the back of the outsole. Of course, you got that air zoom unit right there at the heel. So that's the insole. And this is what your shoes should look like after you take the insole out, as far as stitching and things of that nature. And on the right shoe, same as the left shoe, nothing really is different. Everything is pretty much the same as far as like lateral, medial, color blocking, you know, symbolisms, things of that nature. But the right shoe does come with 2 extra spare laces. You do have this khaki color lace, and then you have this pink color lace as well. So I think I don't know, man. I'm either gonna go with the green or the khaki color. I think that's the two laces I might go ahead and show you. As far as this review, I think I'm gonna leave the pink alone, but you know, it could be a nice touch. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's the end of the review. Let me hop back in front of the camera, give you my thoughts on the shoe, and we're gonna go ahead and end the review off. All right, so that was the review of the MATCHA SB Dunk Low Pro. Tell me what you think in the comment section down below. How do you feel about this shoe? Did you go for a pair? Did you hit? They're not going for too much on the resale market. I think for this size 10, the prices are ranging from like 160 to about 180, 190, depending on where you get them from and depending on the condition. But I will say that I'm pleasantly surprised, man. I didn't think I was gonna really like this colorway as far as like that green MATCHA asparagus color. But after seeing them in hand, and you know, looking at them, I do like them. I like them a lot, man. The materials are super nice on this shoe, and I understand the symbolism behind it and the meaning. You know, having his family crest on the side is pretty cool, and his name on the shoe, on the tongue, that's pretty dope. So I would say that I do like the gray pair better. And now that I have these in hand, I almost want to double back and spin a block and go get the gray pair, but we'll see. I may have to look up prices on that pair and see what they're going for, because I really did like that pair. Now, I was at a couple sneaker events last year, and I did see them in hand, and they were nice. I didn't cop though because they didn't have my size, but if they had my size, I probably would have copped. So yeah, again, thank you for tuning into the video. I don't want to keep it too long. I do want to hop right into this on feet. And like, comment, and subscribe, share the channel. I appreciate the support once again. And until the next video, I'm out.
Dying one.
Rock. Rachmaninoff.
I know. The way I'm dipping steps so fresh, they call me Manny. Plus the crossover so cold, it come in handy. Every day I shoot a movie, call me Stanley. Can't walk a mile off in my shoes if you can't stand me. So exclusive, this only for friends and family. We up on sneaks and they so geek, we high on fashion. What's up, what's happening? I'm extra fresh out the package, shipping and handling. Life of 4D, I'm an OG like Jordan 03, yeah. It's getting OC, the fashion on me, they tryna clone me, yeah. Shot the DE for the 3P, I'm like Kobe, yeah. The passion feed me, yeah. I know you see me, yeah. Done one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a one time. Done. I'm done one. I'm so white, this world, they say I'm gone. About to eat the game up like a